Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri, play some music. Okay, so I'm just gonna let y'all know what my favorite features are. So I would definitely say this is one thing that I enjoy. That's so cool to me. Like a little emoji keyboard or emoji button. I also really enjoy this in general. It literally glows. Like I've never seen a glowing keyboard. So that's pretty cool. And then I enjoy my background that I created. This is just so cute. It just gives me good vibes all around. And then, so I obviously don't have many favorite features because I don't know how to work a MacBook. Literally, I've been kind of struggling, but I'll eventually, figure out how to do it. Oh, another thing that I like is the thumbprint button. That's pretty cool. I honestly would have never expected a MacBook to have a thumbprint button. I enjoy that. Like I was saying, I don't know much about MacBooks. I've never had one before. I've always wanted one, so I'm just beyond grateful. All praise to the Most High that I finally was able to get one. And it's a huge upgrade. So I've had two previous computers before. The first computer was a Windows 8.1 when I was younger, which was a touchscreen. And then I got this one some years back, and which is a touchscreen too. But it's literally falling apart, so it was time for an upgrade. Like, this thing does not stay up. It looks like this. The screws came out. And both of my previous computers, this one and the one before it, used to turn into a tablet. But now it's just so broken that it's just not able to do that anymore. But yeah, so this is just a humongous upgrade. I'm gonna take such good care of this. One reason I've wanted a MacBook so bad is just like editing purposes. I feel like it'll be so much better editing on a MacBook rather than on my phone. So I'm excited about that. I am a little bit nervous about using iMovie though, because it does kind of look confusing. I'm just gonna keep it really honest. But it really shouldn't be that difficult. So yeah, honestly, there's just not much to say. Like I was saying, I don't know everything, but eventually I'll know what I'm doing. But I'm just happy, I'm just excited. And my hair as long as I did, but I ended up getting busy. Fortunately, it worked out fine in the end. I just took in this moment.